When teaching seated dives, start by demonstrating the skills so swimmers clearly see the sequence. Have them sit on the edge of the pool with their hips close to the side, feet and legs in the water, and the bottoms of their feet pressed firmly against the pool wall. Their arms should be extended overhead in a streamlined position with hands together. From here, they slowly lean forward, lowering their streamlined hands close to the surface of the water. As they continue leaning, they push off the wall with their feet, entering fingertips first in a clean, controlled motion. After showing the full skill, provide hands-on guidance. You may need to support swimmers as they practice. Hold their hands in the streamlined position to help guide them into the water. Some swimmers will try to slide off the edge rather than diving hands first, so place a light hand on their stomach to help them keep their feet on the wall until the push-off moment. This reminder keeps their entry clean and reinforces proper form. Safety is critical during dive instruction. Remind swimmers that their arms must always stay above their head and streamlined to protect against injury. Emphasize that they should dive outward and forward, never down, to avoid contact with the bottom of the pool. Once in the water, swimmers should angle upward towards the surface right away instead of continuing downward. By consistently reinforcing technique and safety, you'll help swimmers build confidence, control, and a strong foundation for more advanced dives later on.